Today we are unboxing nothing. Yes, you got it right. It's nothing year one. Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. As I'm unboxing it, let me tell you, the audio in this video is completely recorded with the year one mic. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the mic quality. Also, I have tested these earbuds with multiple devices for some time now and I did not see any issues connecting with my mobile, laptop and TV. I have used the earbuds for multiple calls also and I have not heard any bad feedback from the receivers. Overall, it provides a very good call quality. I will be speaking about the audio quality in the later part of the video. Now that I have the year one case in my hands, you can see it's little big in size compared to the other TWS cases, but still it's pocketable. What else we have here? We get two more boxes inside it and the user manuals. I think this is all we have. There is some background coming in the video. That's because of some construction work going on next to my house, and I feel nothing was performing very good in this scenario also. Let's open the box we get. First one is the charging cable. It's a quality type C cable and also the cables are braided for longevity. Next is the earplugs. Small and large size inside this box. Medium size is sitting on the earbuds. These are silicone earplugs, very soft, same is used in AirPods, which makes it very comfortable in the ears. Let's open. Earbuds comes with the magnet, so placing them in the case is very easy. Finally, I have to mention the design of Nothing Year One is stunning. It's very lightweight, so it's suitable for wearing long time. Now let's come to the features and review section of the video. As I've already mentioned, it's very light and comfortable in the ears. Fit is good in the ears. You can also go for workout with the earbuds. As it is IPX4 certified, we don't have to worry about sweats. It has fast pairing feature, but only on Android. So for other devices, we have to use the pairing buttons available in the case. Next is it has touch controls which works very well. I will say you can double tap to play or pause, triple tap for next track, then tap and hold to switch between noise cancellation on, off and transparency mode. We can also control the volume by sliding up or down on these stems. Now we jump into the year one app. After successfully connecting, we can see the charge percentage for both earbuds. This app is very minimal and good. Bottom we can see two options, ear and touch. Inside ear we can control the noise cancellation, which has two modes, light and max, to use depending on the situation. I will say that it performs well in the most of the situations for blocking sound. Then transparency mode, which is opposite of the noise cancellation. It makes you aware of the surrounding, very useful when you are in public. As we have third option where we can turn off the noise cancellation, but it also has very good passive noise cancellation. Because now let's talk about the main part, the sound quality. For music, my take here is it provides a good balance sound, good bass and vocals. Balance is the default equalizer selection in the app, and we get three more options to select: treble, bass and vocal. Based on your selection, it increases the volume of this segment, and respectively other two segments volume goes low. My personal preference will be bass, as I can clearly hear the bass, mids and highs. Inside touch, we can configure the gesture controls. We can set up the left earbud with triple tap for previous song and the right one for the next song, or vice versa. tap and hold we can use for noise cancellation. Next I want to show is the setting menu, where we have the option to enable in-ear detection. This is a very useful feature when you are listening to the music and someone comes to talk to you. You can just remove the earbuds from ear to pause the music and resume automatically when you put it back. I felt there was little latency when I initially used it to watch YouTube videos, but it can be corrected from settings. We have option to select low latency option. Then we have find my earbuds. If you lose it somewhere, you can use the feature to make sound and find it. This is all I had to say. Let's conclude now. Nothing Ear 1 comes with lots of features. It has good and balanced sound, good call quality in this price range for 6000 INR and very fresh look. It's a definite go for this price it comes for. Thanks for staying till now. See you next time.